Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make mushroom corn soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of your favorite sliced mushrooms, like cremini, and 1 cup of sweet corn kernels, either fresh or canned. Don't forget 4 cups of rich vegetable broth and 1/2 cup of luscious heavy cream. Also, have 1 small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 2 tablespoons of butter on hand. These simple items are the foundation for our delicious, comforting soup. Now, let's build the incredible flavor base for our soup. Begin by melting 2 generous tablespoons of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Once shimmering, add your finely diced small onion and cook it gently for about 5 minutes until it becomes wonderfully translucent and soft. Next, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic, letting their aroma fill your kitchen for just 1 minute. Finally, add the 2 cups of sliced mushrooms, cooking them until they release their moisture and begin to brown slightly. With our aromatics and mushrooms perfectly cooked, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully pour in 4 cups of rich vegetable broth, then bring the entire mixture to a gentle simmer. Now, add your 1 cup of sweet corn kernels, letting them warm through. Season the soup with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, adjusting to your taste. Let this delightful concoction simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. For the perfect creamy finish, we're almost ready to serve. Just before taking the soup off the heat, gently stir in 1/2 cup of luxurious heavy cream. Heat the soup for just 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring it doesn't come to a boil, which could curdle the cream. Give it a final taste and adjust any seasonings to achieve your ideal flavor balance. Finally, ladle this warm, comforting mushroom corn soup into your favorite bowls and savor every delicious spoonful. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.